How custard apples purple are grown.
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 How custard apples purple are grown. How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown. How custard apples purple are grown. Back to the beginning. Surveyors plant reflective stakes across the dunes. How custard apples purple are grown.
We use an auger to drill deep soil cores, carefully crumbling the layers into trays. The samples are then sealed. How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown. How custard apples purple are grown. How custard apples purple are grown.
How are purple custard apples grown? It starts here, blending cocoa coir, compost, and biochar for the perfect medium.
Berm forming is crucial for growing purple custard apples. A bed former builds raised rows while trench wheels carve.
Nursery tunnel build. Steel arches bolt together. Lifts tighten joints in sequence. Covers stretch wrinkle-free under tensioning machines. How custard apples purple are grown. Climate corridor. Evaporative pads slide in. Pumps prime. Huge fans spin up together. Tray alignment. Vibrating table nudges plug trays into razor-straight lines. Then conveyor resumes with identical spacing. Everything stays continuous.
Precision seeding. Dispenser drops 1 seed per cell. Mist boom pulses a single clean burst. Trays glide forward without stopping.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown. How custard apples purple are grown.
As the doors open, our beneficial insects are released, ensuring precise pollination while the rover tracks the process.
How custard apples purple are grown.
During the thinning step, our workers remove the extra fruitlets, leaving perfect spacing for giant growth. The remaining fruitlets look truly designed.
Branch training. Limbs are guided onto support wires, tensioners adjusted evenly. A lift platform glides forward at constant speed.
The color shift begins as the fruit surface deepens from green to violet under controlled shade.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown. Support rigging. Padded slings clip under heavy limbs, tension tightens smoothly then locks. The branch steadies instantly.
Breathable protective bags cover the select purple fruits, and the ties are fastened in identical motions. A cart feeds the bag stacks just in time.
How custard apples purple are grown. These giant fruits dominate the canopy, thriving in the warm morning light.
How purple custard apples are grown. Pre-harvest staging. How purple custard apples are grown. Harvest twist. The fruit rotates off cleanly and lands into molded foam nests without bruising.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown.
A soft water sheet removes dust. Water drains through grates in clean lines. Droplets cling briefly to the purple texture, then slide off.
After the initial wash, the fruit moves onto these draining rollers. A vibration section then shakes off the residual water. How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown. Sensor reject puff. Tiny air jets puff a minor defect fruit to a side lane.
How custard apples purple are grown. Diverter gate choreography. Lanes split premium, standard, and kitchen grade as gates flick in perfect timing.
How custard apples purple are grown. Robotic placement. Soft grippers lift each fruit and seed it into foam cups.
Custard apples purple are grown.
Gas flush. Nozzle injects protective gas, then the seal completes immediately. A faint internal haze forms, then clears as the tray advances. Seal integrity roller, press roller, glides the perimeter, smooth, constant pressure. Any imperfect seal diverts silently to a side lane.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown. Pre-cool airflow prep. Cartons enter a vented lane. Fans spin up and pull cold air through uniformly. Cold haze curls, then stabilizes.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples are grown. Forced air pre-cool. Wrapped pallets enter a cold corridor, and fans pull the chill through the cartons evenly.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples purple are grown.
The purple custard apple, a delicate hybrid, must be carefully inspected for ripeness before being placed in the basket.
Protective paper wraps with clean folds. Fold, tuck, secure like a tiny packaging line. The bag lifts away smoothly.
How custard apples purple are grown.
How custard apples, the purple variety, are grown.
A knife scores the skin, then a gentle twist opens it cleanly to reveal the creamy interior. No mess, just glossy textures.
The pulp drops into the bowl, and a simple shake with the strainer separates the seeds. It's a very tidy and rhythmic process.
These purple custard apples are amazing.
I'm so glad we tried them.
Can I have another piece?
How custard apples purple are grown. Byproduct loop. Orchard prunings and packhouse trimmings feed into a sealed compost reactor. Compost return. Dark crumble spreads evenly along berms via precision applicator. Drip lines pulse immediately. How custard apples purple are grown.